Hey everyone, this is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the Momentum Clutch Basket from Hinson. Alright, so today we're taking a closer look at a product that I'm actually a big fan of, something that we have used here at Rocky Mountain. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, get subscribed and check out our Roach to Racing series. In that series, we actually take a clapped out Roach 2005 Honda CRF 450R and we completely rebuild it. We take it racing. It's a whole lot of fun to watch, so make sure to check that out. But in that video, we installed one of these Momentum Clutch Baskets from Hinson, and what this is designed to do is give you the same benefits of adding a flywheel weight to your bike, but according to Hinson, it's going to be better. And I think that for a lot of riders out there, depending on how you want your bike to handle, the characteristics that you're looking for with your motor, this will be just what the doctor ordered. Now, if you're not quite familiar with why people add a flywheel weight and the benefits to that, really there's two big benefits. The first is that it helps to smooth out the power of your motorcycle. And the second is that adding that flywheel weight gives you more engine inertia, and so it actually helps you not stall the bike as easily. And the way that it gets more traction to the ground is adding that extra weight will actually just kind of help the bike build RPM slower. So when you crack that throttle, it builds the power slower, so you help getting more traction to the ground. But according to Hinson, this clutch basket is going to give you the same benefits, but better, and here's why. So first off, looking at it, this is made from billet steel. So it's going to give you a lot more longevity than just your stock clutch basket here. I'll give you a great example of that here in just a minute. I've actually weighed this, compared it to the exact same OEM clutch basket, and stock clutch basket for this bike, 1 pound. Again, for that CRF 450R. This basket, 2 pounds, 10 ounces, so it is quite a bit heavier, and also being that steel, like I said, it's going to last a long time. But here's what it does. Having that extra weight, it's going to give the same benefit as that heavier flywheel weight. It's going to give you more of that engine inertia, so it's not going to have the bike stall as easily. But here's what's nice about this. Being that it's your clutch basket, the weight is going to be more centrally localized. So it's not going to be out at the end of the crankshaft, so having that weight being central, it's going to help with the handling or not affect the handling as much. Also, the clutch basket only rotates once for every 3 rotations of the crank, so it's not spinning as fast. So again, you're not getting as much of that gyroscopic effect from your engines, so it's not going to affect the handling as much. And thirdly, the clutch basket actually spins the opposite direction of the crank. So what Hinson says, it actually kind of works as a counterbalancer for your motorcycle. So again, you're getting the same benefits of adding a flywheel weight to your bike, but you're getting more longevity out of your clutch basket, and it's not going to affect the handling as much. You are making an investment here. You're north of $300, but in my opinion, if that's what you're looking for, then this could be a great investment for you. Now, if you've never installed a clutch basket before, here's another reason to get subscribed to our YouTube channel. We have awesome how-to videos. We have a great one that shows you step-by-step how to remove and install a brand new clutch basket, so give that a watch if you're not quite sure. And before I let you go, let me show you why it's important not only to, if you want, upgrade your clutch, but also be inspecting it to make sure that everything is in good condition, because I have got right here the actual OEM clutch basket that came off of that Roach 450 I already talked about. When you look at the basket, you look at these fingers, you can see just how notched out those are. Those are actually caused from the friction disc in your clutch stack. So when these start to get notched out like that, it gets grabby, it gets sticky, it's not going to feel good, it's not going to work the way you want it to. So in any case, if you haven't for a while, look at your clutch basket and just make sure everything's in good working condition. Do your oil changes. That's always going to help prolong the life of your components as well. If you guys have questions or comments about this, leave those below. We'll get those answered. To pick yours up, it is really simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so enter the make, the model, and the year of your bike to ensure that you get proper fitment. Orders over $75 ship free. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.